Which of the following has organized seminar on financial awareness? Indian Air Force. Who is set to be appointed as the 14th Attorney General of India? Mukul Rohtagi. India recently pulled out of which pillar of the Indo-Pacific Economic Framework? Trade pillar. Vedanta to build a $20 billion semiconductor chip manufacturing unit in which state? Gujarat. World Dairy Summit in India has been organized after how many years? "48 years. Who has authored by book titled Forging Mettle, Nrupender Rao and the Pennar Story? Pavan C. Lal. B.B. Lau, who recently passed away, was an eminent name in which field? Archaeology. Himalayan 50 is the name of first fully solar-powered unmanned aerial vehicle of which country? China. Who has become first Indian to win Zurich Diamond League Final 2022 in Switzerland? Neeraj Chopra. India and Japan 2+2 Ministerial Dialogue held in which city? Tokyo. IFS Officer Nagesh Singh has been recently appointed as the ambassador of which country? Thailand. E-daakhil portal is an initiative of which central ministry? Ministry of Consumer Affairs. What is the theme of Himalayan Diwas 2022? Himalayas will be safe only when the interests of its residents are protected. Who has been appointed as the new UN High Commissioner for Human Rights? Volker Turk. Which state launched a multi-purpose online portal called Resident Safety and Security Act? Meghalaya. What is India's rank in the released Human Development Index 2021? (132). Who among the following has been appointed as the CEO of IndiGo Airline in September 2022? Hyder Elbers, who has been appointed as India's next High Commissioner to Canada. Sanjay Kumar Verma. What is the theme of the International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies 2022? The air we share. India's first bio-village has been set up in which state? Tripura.